Welcome to hell. I'm your host, Doug Thompson, and this is what we're up to today. Just doing a splice on a volute for a 9-foot hand railing that's going in the house. And then I have all the other parts over here. I'll show you. Now, I didn't make them all myself. I would like to, but you know, you got to fit everything into people's budgets. So I have several of the cast pieces and the scrolls and cut them, but the rest we put together. Interesting part about this one really is they wanted to split kind of offset of the middle just because they have a really narrow staircase. And they could get a couch in the top, but when it comes down to the bottom, they could remove one section and just unbolt it out of the floor, or we can take the whole thing out. It's a very narrow passage. So to hide it somewhat, what we've done here is we took the cast iron collars and we split it in the middle, and then I used angle iron, 1" by 1/8" angle iron, and fitted them together with 3/4" HSS inside to stabilize it. So how that's going to go, it's going to be standing up there, and then we have our other section to here, right? And then your top rail will splice in the middle, and then when you unbolt it, just actually you lift up and pull out because there's a peg in here as well. Random. As you notice that I've kind of rough polished it and sanded it all. The client wants to shine it up and then heat color it. So then I'll heat color it and then lacquer coat it and then bolt it in and it's done. Simple little project, but it takes time and patience like anything else. But that's how we got a shape. It's a little crude, but you know, it does the job. I've waited 2 weeks for this fucking thing, and my client wants it tomorrow really bad. Of course, they all want it. It's the end of the world.
Well, it is Christmas.
It's Christmas. have it. One poor welder made one somewhat volute. Now I can finish. And if you didn't notice that piece of crap I was cutting earlier, it's now this. A little bit of spit and polish. Actually, you do see the lines a lot better now. Like, it's all right. Didn't have a roller, but I had a grinder. Yeah, I know, I have that, and I still ground it, but for the time it would have taken to make a top fuller and a bottom fuller, I would have already had ground this. So I did. And now I can put it together. Just get a paycheck. I'll make a jig when I do like 10, 20 of them maybe. See, does it match? Does it somewhat match? Can be disguisable.
Looks nice to me.
Never notice that. Never know. Yeah. Now we'll bevel both ends, clamp it, weld it, clean it up, and that's it. Then I can assemble the railings.